nature in all its pristine glory, you have to come to Satkosia. In Odisha, it is the only place where you get to see the mountains brush against the skies. Magnificent Mahanadi river meanders through the golden sandbars, and listen to the wonderful symphony created by the chopping of various birds. The Satkosia Gorge is a unique feature in geomorphology of India. Here Mahanadi has cut right across the eastern Ghats and has formed a magnificent gorge with sylvan beauty and excellent features. The name Satkosia originates from two words, Sat meaning 7 and Kos meaning 2 miles, indicating the length of the gorge as 14 miles or 22 kilometers. The Satkosia Gorge, with its magnificent floristic composition and amazing faunal diversity on both of its northern side and southern side, over an area of 795 square kilometers, has been notified as Satkosia Gorge Sanctuary in May 1976. Out of the above area, 530 square kilometers is in northern side of the gorge inside Satkosia Wildlife Division within two districts of Angul and Cuttack. The rest area of 265 square kilometers is in southern side inside Mahanadi Wildlife Division within two districts of Nayagarh and Bodh. It is world of all its inhabitants, trees, animals, birds, even insects living perfect harmony with each other. This gorge is famous for crocodile breeding, and there is a research center located at Angul side of Mahanadi. Boat ride on Satkosia Gorge of River Mahanadi in between the forested mountains is an unearthly experience. The sight of crocodiles and freshwater turtle basking on the river bank on a wintry morning with the rising sun on the horizon makes an awesome sight. Also find elephant, Indian bison, spotted deer, leopard, giant squirrel, and varieties of resident and migratory birds like Indian skimmers, Brahmani duck. Wildlife Sanctuary hosts some of the attractive tourism destinations with night stay facilities in luxurious Swiss tents and cottages. Nature camps of Tikarpada, Chotkei, Bagamunda, Purankot, Baliput and Tarava are situated on northern side of the gorge at Angul. On January 2020, we stayed at Satkosia Sand Resort at Baramul, which falls on the southern part of the gorge at Nayagarh. The major entry point to all these nature camps at Satkosia are through Angul, and for Satkosia sand resort is Bhubaneswar. Tourists are advised to hire a vehicle from Angul or Bhubaneswar for both traveling and sightseeing purposes. Satkosia Sand Resort is the best option to stay, where you can find unique combinations like 360-degree view of hills, a huge sandbars which feels like a mini desert, and the Mahanadi. Camping, boating in Satkosia Mahanadi River, folk dance, sand sports, eco-cycling, swimming, jungle trek, campfire and birding all are arranged by them. The beauty of full moon night, stargazing, sunrise and sunset at Satkosia can never be explained by words. Though the sanctuary can be visited during the months of October to March, the months of December and January are considered to be the best time to visit this place.